Breaking news, this just in. Renuit Supply in Tampa has a new location and is now Tampa's biggest janitorial supply store. Renuit has a large selection of janitorial cleaning supplies, an expanded paper products and plastic bag section, and they also sell carpet dyes and lots of parts for machines. They even offer carpet padding at wholesale prices. It's unbelievable. We have some amazing photos of rental equipment at the new store. Need it? Rent it. Carpet padding, carpet blowers, carpet cleaning hoses, dehumidifiers, air scrubbers, ozone machines, AC duct cleaning machines, power stretchers, SX12 tile cleaning machines, floor machines, carpet extractors, and backpack vacuums. Be sure to like them on Facebook. Now, if that's not enough happy news, they also make hydraulic hoses and sell over 500 different chemicals to choose from. You use Microban? Then you'll love Macrobial at half the price. Only at Renuit Supply in Tampa.
Call them today at 813-887-4550.